Today, I talk to you how to flash with smartphone FlashTool. Requirements: 1. Download and install MediaTek driver. 2. Download and extract smartphone FlashTool. 3. Download stock ROM. Unzip smartphone FlashTool. You will get following folder file. Open folder, now, right-click on FlashTool.exe and run it as administrator to start. Once smartphone FlashTool is launched, click on the Download tab. Now click on the Scatter Loading button and locate the scatter file. You will find the scatter file in the stock ROM folder. Now, click on the download button to begin the flashing process. Connect your smartphone to the computer using USB cable, without battery, if it is removable. After connecting the device to the computer, press volume down or volume up key, so that your computer easily detects your smartphone. Once flashing is completed, a green ring will appear. Close the smartphone FlashTool on your computer and disconnect your Android smartphone from the computer. Congratulations, now your Android smartphone is successfully running the stock ROM you have downloaded. Important note: the above tutorial only works the basically MediaTek devices. Take a backup of your important data before using the smartphone FlashTool, as because during the flashing process your personal data will be removed permanently. Installing official firmware or stock ROM does not involve much risks most of the time. However, try this at your own risk.